Thank you so much, Erik, Anthony, for changing my business and my life. So I went from zero, making zero online, to $3,000 a month in my first month on the program. So that's amazing. I never was able to do that in personal training, even that much. And this is my first month, and it allows me to be location free. Was able to do this even from when I was traveling. And I'm actually packing my bag because I want to travel to the United States. That's been my dream for a long time, and now finally I don't need a job anymore. I get to do this from anywhere I want, location free, have bookings constantly, more bookings. So it's been great, and I think because I was not making any money, I started from zero. I was just selling low ticket programs. I didn't have any idea how to do high ticket fitness coaching. That alone, I think, is worth your money. If you learn like how to do this business, you get all the scripts and ideas for like how to approach clients, how to sell to them. But on top of that, Erik actually makes sure to mentor you actively all the time. So he makes sure that you actually get clients and you can ask him questions and everything, and you get this active coaching as well. So I think it's totally worth it, and I'm excited to continue on the same path.